What if I told you that you could build an AI receptionist that answers calls for a dental clinic, books appointments, answers patient questions, and works 24/7 without hiring a single receptionist? In this video, I am going to show you exactly how to build one from scratch. You'll see how the AI answers a real dental patient, how it handles common questions, how it checks availability, and how it books the appointment automatically. And by the end of this video, you'll have a working AI receptionist that you can actually deploy for a dental clinic. Let's build it.
So guys, we are going to be using Retail AI. So head over to Retail AI and just log in. In your case, you just have to sign up. I have already logged in, so I'll be shown this particular page. As you can see, this is my dashboard page, and I head over to Agents. And then these were my already created agents. So you won't be seeing this. You have to fresh start and simply just press Create an Agent, Voice Agent, Single Prompt Agent, built from scratch, and it says creating. So now you'll be heading over to the new page, which says you have to configure it. So this particular section, you have to set the behavior of the agent, how it is going to perform, how it's going to react. So for this, I'll be sending out a prompt in ChatGPT. I'm just heading over to ChatGPT, and I'll be mentioning here, hey, uh, creating an AI receptionist uh, for a local dental clinic, and I needed to be able to connect to calendar using tool functions as as well as transfer transfer calls and answer FAQs. Make this create this. Let's gonna create this AI receptionist, and that sounds that sounds and behaves like a front desk worker would, and the goal is to make it as natural and effective as possible. So this is my result. I have received this AI Dental Receptionist Master System prompt, and I'm going to simply copy it and I'm going to. So I have copied the answer from ChatGPT here, and I have made this Prime Dental Clinic as the imaginary clinic based in Miami, Florida. And clinic information is as such. Like again, this is imaginary. It doesn't even exist. But I have given certain number of hours when the booking can be done. That's Monday to Friday, Saturday, Sunday, it's closed, and so and so. And what all, let's say, the services are there. So general dentistry, crowns, root canal, and of course all the types of payments, all the types of insurances that we take, all the types of the specialists that we have, and the personality of the AI agent. It should be warm, calm, and all. So generally, this is what happens, right? When you call a call center or any service, they ask you like, "Hey, thanks for reaching out to us, this particular clinic. How can I assist you today?" So similarly, naturally, I would like to configure my AI agent to be doing the same. So I do custom message and then I mention, "Thank you for reaching out to Prime Dental Clinic. How can I assist you today?" Simple as that. Okay. So then heading over to naming it, renaming it. I just mentioned it Prime Dental Clinic Voice Agent. Plus, I've chosen the GPT 4.1, which is okay. I mean, this is good enough. There are extreme good models as well, but they are going to be more expensive. But GPT 4.1, in my opinion, has been great so far. The voice wise, I would like to choose, let's say, Grace. And of course, the language says English. And that's pretty much, yeah, you're done. Now, another important thing is functions. So now we'll be doing a tool function calling, okay? Which means simply like these are just nothing like, tool functions are actions an AI agent can call to interact with the outside world, like searching the web, sending emails, or querying database. In our case, the dental clinic voice agent is going to use the appointment tool. So book, reschedule, cancel, and check dental appointments. And in another case, like looking up patient details, dentist availability, clinic hours, and answer common dental questions. So the functions part, here you can see like the end call is there. End call is just nothing. Like, I have added its end underscore call. So basically, when the voice AI agent should end the call. So basically, end the call when user has to leave, says bye, and you are instructed to do so. And of course, you need to end it, but otherwise your token minutes will be consumed, right? Then there's this one thing which is known as transfer call. When do you exactly need to escalate? Let's say in the case of, for example, someone is saying, okay, I have this severe problem right now. So this is an emergency or something. Like, can I talk to a human? Or like, can I talk to a person who's a specialist? So your AI agent should, of course, definitely transfer the call. So this is the number that you put in here, like to the call is transferred to. Then comes one most important part of this, the crux of this particular tutorial is check availability. So how are you going to check availability? So basically you mentioned check availability underscore cal. And when user asks for availability, you go check the calendar. Where is the calendar right now? I'll simply go to, just keep it open. Just go to cal.com, basically this cal.com, and I'm already logged in. So I get to see this particular dashboard. Simply, I'll just go down to settings and I go to further down API keys and I create my own API key, which is Prime Dental Clinic. Okay. And I set it to never expire and then I create it. So my API key is created and I simply just do a copy and I save it. So as I saved it, now I simply go to my retail and I add my API key. So what was this? Check availability, right? Then again, I head back to Cal and I go to my dashboard again and I look for availability. Availability I have already set, which is for, as you can see, set for 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Set my area to America, Los Angeles. We can set it for Miami area, whichever area you belong to. And then simply just you see here, there is this event type. I simply would copy it and will paste it here. Done. Similar thing, I like to do it with book appointment. So book appointment, again, I'll just copy the same API key, which I had saved earlier. So I'll just copy this and paste it. So what is booking availability, by the way? So when user asks to book an appointment, book it on the calendar. So where is the calendar? Calendar was in the cal and we kept copy the API key from cal. It's the same API key, by the way. But this event ID is going to be different. So again, I'm going to back to my links and let's say this is a 30-minute appointment and I'm just here and I can just name it anything. Let's say root canal 30. Okay. And my event ID is just right here in my web address in between type slash and the question mark that. This numeric digit is my event ID. I simply take it there and I'll just keep it here and I keep an update. Done. Update it. So now the tool functions part is over. We'll move forward to the knowledge base.
Knowledge base, what is it like? So this is just nothing. This is an additional details that one repository or like one go to database or particular basic functions that your agent needs to know, like for example the pricing, let's say the implications, and anything, let's say around schedules of the existing doctors and existing doctors availability and existing doctors, I'll say the specialty and all that. So I simply go to my original one. I just press knowledge base and one of the knowledge base. Okay. So I'm in the ChatGPT now. So create a knowledge base for this AI receptionist, including the pricing, specialization, and etc. So that's it. Let's set it. So it's done. So now I simply just copy it and I'll go to my retail AI and the knowledge base that I was talking about. So I'll create another one and I'll just call it Prime Dental Clinic KB. Okay, and it should be in the text form because I have the text form. Prime Dental Clinic KB. Okay, I just save it and I'm done. And I simply go back to my agents. Where is my agent? This is my agent, Grace, and I'm logging in. I go to my knowledge base, I press add and Prime Dental Clinic KB, I choose it. Okay, so now that we are live with knowledge base, we can move towards to speech settings. Background sound, let's make it like a call center or better coffee shop. Coffee shop is fine. Responsive eagerness, and it should be around, let's say, zero point 0.7 to zero point 0.9. I'll just keep it zero point 0.7. And interruption sensitivity, I'd like to keep it at 0.8. Okay, reminder message frequency, that's all fine. Pronunciation, that's fine. Real-time transcription settings, denoising, remove noise, transcription mode, that's all fine. Vocabulary, call settings, call setting, voicemail detection, that's all fine. We can skip that. That's also fine. End call on silence. That is the most ultra necessary thing right now. Let's say I really do not want to get charged for when someone is not there on the other side. So I rather just would like to keep it to, let's say, 2 minutes or let's say even 1 minute when someone is not talking. Max call duration, let's keep it trimmed down to 10 minutes or let's say 7, 8 minutes. I think that's just good enough for like first level of inquiry. And rather than that, I'm pretty much sure someone is just wasting your time, your AI agent's time. So then again, post call data extraction, we do not need that. Security fallback, that's also we do not need that. Webhook settings, that's all okay. We can do that in the advanced version, but that's all okay. So yeah, that's pretty much we have done it, and now we need to connect a mobile phone number so that this thing can work, right? So I'll tell you how to do that. We go to here and phone numbers, and as you can see, like already I have one phone number attached. So this is my phone number, and simply I just go to buy new number because I'll have to buy new number in order to run the service. And this service is directly connected to Twilio. In this case, I'll be charged $2 a month, and simply I can randomly choose any number. I have chosen mine, so I'll simply would have just purchased it. And before this, of course, you'll have to verify yourself. I mean, in order to abide by the rules. And simply this number is there. In my case, this number is there, and press it, and I get to choose my particular service that I want to run it from. So let's say Prime Dental Clinic agent. So I just chosen it, and simply I just go back to my agents again, and I choose my agent again, and I do the main thing which was supposed to work, which is publish. Ta-da! Now we're at the hub where you can test it, right? So publish it, done. Now we'll test it. Calling the first number that we purchased earlier for Prime Dental Clinic. And there it goes.
Thank you for reaching out to Prime Dental Clinic. How can I assist you today?
I'm looking for services. Which all services do you have?
Sure, I can help with that. Prime Dental Clinic offers a wide range of dental services, including general dentistry like checkups, cleaning, fillings, and extractions, as well as cosmetic treatments such as teeth whitening, veneers,
Do you have anything?
and smile makeovers.
Do you have anything around root canal?
Yes, we do offer root canal treatment at Prime Dental Clinic. The price starts at $850, but it can vary depending on the tooth and how complex the treatment is. After a root canal,
Okay, and
a
who's
crown
the
may be recommended.
who's the specialist who will be taking care of it?
Dr. Daniel Carter, DMD, is our specialist for root canal and restorative treatment. He focuses on implant and restorative dentistry and is available Tuesday through Friday.
Which
If
is
you'd like, I can help you schedule a consultation consultation
Yeah,
or
sure.
root canal appointment with him.
Can you give me an appointment for tomorrow, let's say 10 a.m.?
Let me check if Dr. Carter has an opening for a root canal appointment tomorrow at 10 a.m. Dr. Carter does have an opening tomorrow from 10 to 11 a.m. for a root canal appointment. Can I get your name and the best phone number to book this for you?
My name is Johnny Bravo.
Thanks, Johnny. And what's the best phone number to...
And that's a wrap. You've just seen how to build an AI receptionist that can actually pick up the phone, talk to real patients, answer questions, and handle appointments for a dental clinic. But this is just isn't a cool AI demo. This is a real service you can build and sell to dental clinics. Dental clinics are always constantly dealing with missed calls, repetitive questions, and appointment requests. And now you have the tool to help solve those problems while building a real business for yourself. Consider this, like, let's say one procedure was just around $800, and let's say how many calls per day they are losing on that. So let's say how much revenue business is losing on that, just because they're not able to pick up calls beyond working hours. Sometimes the receptionist is busy and all that. So don't just watch this tutorial and move on. Take what you have learned, build your own version, find a dental clinic, and start selling. This is just the beginning of the journey, and I'm excited to see where we can take it. And if you want the exact prompt I used, it is available completely free down below in the description. Grab it, customize it, and start building. You've seen what AI can do. Now go build it, go sell it, and go make it happen.